Hello, fifth grade math students. We are looking at section 13.1 in your workbook, which is on page 121. You should have already identified these 8 different triangles, and I'm going to quickly go through them myself so we can make sure we understand this. Which of these triangles are equilateral, isosceles, or scalene? Use a centimeter ruler to find out. So the centimeter ruler makes me think I probably want to use the centimeter side with my ruler. As a quick reminder, equilateral, how many sides are equal? All 3. Isosceles, just 2. Scalene, none of them are equal. All right, so using a centimeter ruler, I can see this side is 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. If they're all 3, then this is going to be an equilateral. Next one. Well, I see that this one's definitely going to be longer at least, so it's certainly not equilateral. But let's see if it's isosceles. 3 centimeters, 2.5, and about 4. So none of these are equal, so that means this is a scalene. Next one. Ooh, I'm going to guess this is scalene too, but let's go ahead and check to make sure. 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 2. 4, 5, and 2. Yep, those are all different. There's another scalene. And number 4. My guess is this is going to be isosceles. 3, 3, and 5. Yes. So that is isosceles because only 2 of them are equal. These 2. And all 3 of these were equal. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next page. We'll probably use a protractor for this one. Which of these triangles are right, obtuse, or acute? Use a protractor to find out. Remember, 2 angles are always going to be acute anyway, so I just want to look at the third one to figure out. That's definitely acute, definitely acute. That one's a little hard to tell. I'm going to extend this line so that I can check. I'm going to use my protractor. Remember, put that dot right on the point of the angle. Line up the line of your protractor with this line, and it goes right onto 90. So I'm going to put the box there. That is a right triangle because one of the angles is right. Looking at this one, that's certainly acute. That's certainly acute. That one, I'll get the protractor again just to make sure, but it looks like it is probably a little bit less. Yes, it's close, but that's 85 degrees, which is less than 90. So that's acute. So all 3 are acute. There's an acute angle, or acute triangle, excuse me. Next one, well, I don't think I even need the protractor for this one. Look at that. That is definitely more than 90 degrees. Those 2 are acute, which I'd expect, but if one angle is not acute, it is not an acute triangle, it is obtuse. And then finally this one, that's acute, that's acute. That one I'm not sure. Time to check. It looks like it is probably right, but it's always worth checking. So line up on P. Ooh, actually, that is less. That's closer to 85, similar to that one. So even though this one looked like it was right, I'm glad I measured because I have 3 acute angles, making this also acute. This one's a good reminder that you can't just look at it and trust your eyes because that one looked a lot like a right angle to me, but it's actually not. All right, hope you got these all correct. If not, I hope this video helped and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about identifying triangles. Thank you, 5th grade, and enjoy your weekend.